Hello everyone. Want to track your marketing campaigns more effectively through UTM-tagged URLs? In this video, we'll show you how to configure it with BetterLinks and share across social media. Let's get started. Before getting started, you need to choose which link you want to create UTM-tagged URLs for. Here, we are copying our ongoing campaign page URL for tutorial purposes. Make sure you have installed and activated BetterLinks free and premium versions before you start creating your UTM-tagged URLs. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the Manage Links tab of BetterLinks. Under your preferred category, click the plus icon to create a new URL. Set a suitable title and paste the link you copied to generate UTM tracking in the relevant fields. Right beside the target URL field, click the UTM button to open the UTM builder. Here, make changes as you prefer and save once done. Next, tap the social share button beside it. From the pop-up, select your social media profile, and you will see the generated URL for social media share instantly. Save the changes. Following this process, you can prepare social media templates for X from the social share button near the UTM button. Select Twitter, now known as X then. Add share text and hashtags and click the Generate URL button. Your URL for sharing on social media will be created instantly. Save it once done. Follow the same process, generate URLs for other social media platforms. All URLs will then be listed and visible in the category for your campaign. Now, check out each social media link with the attached button. For example, you can visit the X or Twitter share button and the social post template for your campaign will load automatically. From here, you can post on the platform instantly. That's it, you have successfully generated UTM-tagged URLs with BetterLinks and can track your marketing campaign performance smartly. Did you find the video helpful? Like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials like this.